Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Gather modern Viking Ale ingredients and prepare them in advance. Use 3 kg of barley malt, 200 grams honey, and 1/2 ounce of bittering hops. Mill the malt to a coarse grist and heat 12 liters of strike water to 72 degrees C to reach mash temperature. Target starting gravity 1, 0.45 to 1, 0.55 for about 5% ABV. Rehydrate 1 packet of ale yeast and pitch at 20 degrees C. Sanitize all equipment and have a fermentation vessel ready to receive wort within an hour. Begin the mash by mixing crushed malt with strike water and stabilize the mash at 65 degrees C. Mash at 65 degrees C for 60 minutes with a 1/4 recirculation step to clarify wort and improve conversion. After mash out, sparge to collect roughly 12 liters of wort, then bring to a vigorous boil. Boil for 60 minutes and add 0.5 Oz hops at 60, 15, and 5 minutes for balanced bitterness and aroma. Add 200 grams honey in the last 5 minutes to retain aroma and fermentable sugars. Cool the wort quickly to pitching temperature and transfer to a sanitized fermenter. Ferment at 18-20 degrees C for 7 to 10 days until gravity is stable and primary activity subsides. After primary fermentation, rack to a secondary vessel to clear and mellow flavors. Rack to secondary and condition for 14 days with 2.5% priming sugar for carbonation or carbonate in a keg to target volumes. Bottle or keg to 3.5 volumes CO2 and age 2 to 4 weeks before serving to let flavors integrate and mellow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.